Hi everyone! In today's video, my husband and I are testing out this KEDSUM 3-in-1 convertible hand truck dolly, and we're both really impressed. Let's start with what's included in the box. You get the main metal frame, wheels, handle, and all the parts neatly packed. Everything feels very solid right out of the box. The quality really stands out. Thick, sturdy metal, smooth welding, and heavy-duty wheels that look ready to handle serious weight. We started building it together, and honestly, it was super easy. No extra tools required. It took us only a few minutes to assemble, and we were ready to test it out. This dolly can switch between a 2-wheel hand truck, a 4-wheel cart, and even a 6-wheel platform cart. That's one of my favorite things about it. You can use it in different ways depending on what you're moving. The handle extends smoothly and locks securely, and the wheels glide quietly even when it's fully loaded. Now for the real test, we loaded 5 large boxes, each around 60 pounds, measuring 20 by 20 by 20 inches. That's about 300 pounds total. The dolly handled it like a pro. It rolled easily across the floor, and even turning and maneuvering with that much weight was smooth and steady. We both agreed it feels super sturdy and balanced, no wobbling or bending at all. It definitely saves our backs when moving heavy items around the house or the warehouse. When we were done, we just folded it up. It collapses nicely and fits in the corner of our garage without taking much space. That's a big plus for storage. If you're looking for something strong, versatile, and easy to use, this KEDSUM 3-in-1 dolly is a great choice. Whether you're moving boxes, furniture, or equipment, it makes the job faster, safer, and easier. We highly recommend it, especially if you're working as a team like we do. It's definitely one of those tools that pays for itself after just a few uses.